Let's go. Oh yeah. I caught that right away. Also, what if I would have shot at dude and hit Jacob?
Hey, I couldn't find anything to eat.
Or Nick.
The kitchen's pretty cleaned out. Oh shoot, I left my bag. I brought you this.
That was... Fuck. I don't even know what happened. It was all just a blur.
How are you feeling?
Yeah.
I'm okay. I'll be okay. Thanks to you.
No, I just helped a little. It was all
Okay.
Caitlin and Ryan.
You're here with me. That helps.
Alright, they're off to find a radio or something.
What's with the
We found another in Mr. H's office, so just in case.
what happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
Condor.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS or something. We're holding down the fort.
No. Better post up, bro. You better camp that door like Rust.
I thought you said Dylan and Ryan already left.
Wait, stay here. I'll check it out.
We don't know what's out there. Could be dangerous.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna check it out.
All right, Brenda. Clearly, still playing the Zack and Cody role. Dumb as a box of rocks. Yeah, let's put it on your back when you're, yeah. Get the gun out, wench. Oh my god. I pressed right, bro.
Oh, fuck!
Hey, so this may not be like the best time per se, but like...
What?
That's so annoying,
Yeah, so,
bro. I
like,
pressed
I was
right.
just,
I think it put it
thinking
too much of
about,
an
like,
angle.
the start of summer and when we first met and started camp and like now that summer's over and is that like the last time we're gonna see each other, you know?
Dude, this is like the eighth time
Sorry,
dude said
Nick,
that.
What are you saying?
He's soft, bro.
Hey, I'm kind of pouring my heart out here.
Nick, I'm sorry. Can we talk about this later? I'm really freaked out. just not a good time.
There we go.
Maybe I was misreading the situation back there, but it kind of felt like a little bit more was gonna happen.
Well, did you want a little bit more to happen?
Duh, are you dumb?
Hey,
Sorry. I just mean... Of course I wanted it to happen, I just didn't know if you did too.
that seems like such a long time ago now.
You did want it to happen, though. You can tell me.
What's up with this
Yeah,
dude, bro?
I guess.
You got the infection.
You're just saying that because I'm hurt.
Nick. What is going on out there, Caitlin? We've died. We've died.
It's okay, I got this.
Oh my god.
What happened? Jesus, where's the gun?
We gotta get out.
No, we have to hide.
Quick.
You can't run, bro. Oh, he's walking all good. Alright. Put weight on it, huh?
So the radio hut has like an actual radio? I thought it was just like for your morning announcements.
Oh yeah. It used to be more of a actual
I
radio
miss
station,
it.
actually. I mean, it is still technically, but nobody brings their radio to camp anymore.
Yeah.
It's weird, actually, that there used to be kids with their radio and their portable CD player and everything, and nowadays everything we need is on the phone. But Mr. Hackett takes it on the first day of camp so that we're not distracted by technology.
Technology, it giveth and it taketh. So is that something like that you want to go into?
Camp radio?
No, like DJing or music or something.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I like music, but I think I want to major in quantum physics.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You don't really seem like a science guy.
Oh, yeah, I mean, not here.
I'm sorry. I'm so completely fascinated by this. What do you mean by not here?
Not here at camp. I do that at home, and then here,
You're a wise cracking smartass?
that's a little harsh, but...
No?
Okay, so maybe I was a little nervous when I arrived in an uncomfortable social situation, and I overcompensated a little bit by making a bunch of jokes.
You played into it.
Yeah, I mean, people kind of enjoyed the blasé Dylan.
And do you enjoy the blasé, Dylan?
Not yet, like, whatever, man, it's pretty cool. It's fine. I like Dylan.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Dylan. I'm Ryan. Well, actually, let's get the fuck out of here, Ryan.
Yeah, I like him. That makes a lot of sense.
Let's go, Ryan. Ryan. Decatur.
All good?
Give me a minute.
All right.
Huh. All good?
Yeah, all good.
Oh, this place is kind of a dump, huh?
Okay, when I was a camper here, it was barely working. It hadn't been used for years, and it took me a really long time, actually, to get this place cleaned up and looking the way it is. So, I'm sorry if it's not up to your standards, but I've been putting in a lot of TLC,
Okay. Okay.
Let me get this set up. Alright.
Anything over here we can use?
The power tools? No. That's Mr. H wanted more storage, so it's kind of how he lets me keep the station going.
Gotcha. So, how far does it go?
Oh, well, it was designed just to broadcast to the PAs around camp for announcements and to, portable radios and whatever. So, I think the range is about a mile.
How do you even know all this stuff?
I just kind of picked it up.
The technical stuff has always been a little hard for me to get a handle on.
Well, if you like, I could show you the ropes.
Like a class?
Yeah, it's easy. Like climbing.
Sign me up, Teach.
Anyways, this thing's gonna need a bit of a power-up, but that's where this comes in.
Dust magnet.
It's supposed to be a signal booster. It's kind of janky looking, but it's worth giving a shot.
So, we can actually talk to people with this thing?
Yeah, well, it's not a two-way radio, so, you know, we can talk, but then the best we can do is switch it over to the receiver and see if anyone broadcasts anything back, which is unlikely, but...
Well, I mean, it is what it is, I guess.
Yeah. So, what should I say?
Just, like, make it sound urgent.
Okay. Hello, how's it going out there? This is, we need help. This is, we are counselors at Hackett's Quarry Summer Camp, and there's been a horrible accident, attack, some stuff bad here. We need your help. There is a swarm of bears, and they are everywhere, and there's these hunters, too, and they seem to be shooting at the bears, but also at us, which is not good, and a few of our friends are hurt, and we are in desperate need of help, so please, I mean, there's vicious bears, and we don't know what to do, so please come help us, SOS. This is an emergency, save our ship. Come on down, please help us. Did I do good? Was that...
Swarm of bears?
Yeah.
Herd of bears.
Yeah, I've heard of bears. What?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Alright, I guess I should just, like, switch this over to the receiver and see if we get anything back.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye out while you do all this techie stuff.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Alright, let's make this quick look, bruh.
Check it.
I got a ping on the radio, but no response. I'm gonna head to the
Wait, did he say launch?
the other counts.
I don't know, hold on.
2 males in the radio shack near the cabins. Another couple unaccounted for. Copy that. Out.
Holy shit, they're talking about us. How?
Because we just told them! On the fucking radio! Fuck! They know where we are, man.
We can't stay here.
Shit.
Hey, let's stay calm, okay? Let's go find Caitlin and everybody, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay. What? Why didn't you tell me that there's something out there?
I wasn't sure, man.
Fuck, what the fuck was that?
I have no idea.
Ryan? Is it a bear?
I don't think bears can jump like that.
A swarm of them.
What is that?
Fuck.
What?
Caitlin, Abby, and Nick, they're coming up the path.
Oh, shit.
They're coming toward us. We gotta warn them. What about the PA?
Up top? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide or something.
Fuck, no! Oh, shit. Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now. Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Get into a cabin now. Go!
Oh, fuck, dude.
They're gone.
That's it. This dude.
Well, we gotta do something. Come on.
Bam! Let's do it.
We gotta kill it.
It's not a normal animal, man. I don't think a gun's gonna cut it.
Okay. I don't think a gun's gonna cut it.
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be?
I don't know, man. I just don't think it's a good idea to go running out guns blazing against some random-ass super animal.
Oh,
What the
he's
hell
dead.
else can we do?
Talk me out of it.
Well, if it's got hearing, like a dog, maybe. I mean, we could play a really high-pitched feedback loop and crank it to the max, and I mean, it would hurt like hell, but.
Okay, fine. Let's do it. Feedback thing.
Okay, come on, Dylan. Let's do this. It's almost.
It's on top of the building, bro.
Hey, Dylan, just take a breath. I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay, yeah, right. There's something missing. What's missing?
It's getting closer, it's getting closer, it's getting closer! Open the door!
Oh, shit. It's attacking the cabins.
Oh, crap. It knocked out the wire.
Okay, fix it. I'll cover you.
Oh man, I'm a good potato, bro.
Hey, asshole!
Oh man. Oh no, oh no. It gave me no time to react, bro. Oh, my headphone. Rip headphones, Jesus. It gave me no time to react. It gave me 0 time to react.
Is it safe?
I don't know. That
Am
thing's
I
gone,
tripping or what?
We heard those hunter guys on the radio.
What?
Picked up their walkie signal. They knew we were here.
Austin commented, said freaking
Not sure
potato.
I heard it.
Great. What the hell was going on up there?
It just attacked us.
Holy shrimp, you should have seen it.
Austin, you
Dylan
all
made
caught
some
up?
sort of crazy feedback loop and it scared it off.
Ah, it was nothing.
Feedback loop.
Well, you know, I figured if it's like most animals, then it would have sensitive hearing, so...
Alright, bet.
Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
What the fuck?
Did she shoot at us?
Who's there?
pointing at the back of her head, bro.
Jump over?
You know what this chick reminds me of with the eye patch? The freaking little animal from Ice
shit,
Age.
Dylan, what is that?
Oh my god.
Oh, dude. Is that who I think it is?
If I was fire, it would be the rainfall. If I was stars, you'd be these city lights.
Oh, okay.
If I was a moon in the sky, oh baby, I want your cloud. Come and darken my night to be where you are.
Oh, you're back. Looks like that's one less vermin in the world. Let's take a look once more. Here we have the Hermit. With the Hermit comes isolation, loneliness, but reflection, too. Perhaps, given some thought, the Hermit who gives chase can guide you to safety. But that all depends on your actions, not his. I want to show you more.
It's kind of at one of
Would
the
that
buildings.
be all right?
What do I do? Move on? Like, it doesn't seem like any point to move on. Let's do Jacob a walking
We
out.
spend so much time looking toward the future. It's easy to forget that the past holds secrets, too. Worth remembering that. So it's goodbye again. I'll be here. I'll wait for you.
Oh, wow.